सेम सेम.
ओके.
Day of energy, inspiration and actionable ideas, because today is about creative. And remember, Sat Sambhav hai.
रामदास सांगले और हजारों किसान जो ऑर्गेनिक खेती का सपना पूरा करना चाहते हैं, उनको सशक्त करना संभव है. बलिया से वाइजैक, किन्नौर से कैलिफोर्निया, छोटे कदमों से बड़ी छलांग संभव है. कारीगर, सहेलियां, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स और कस्टमर्स आज हमसे जुड़े हैं और कर रहे हैं विकसित इंडिया की तैयारी.
कोई भी हो जरूरत, कैसी भी जानकारी, सब हो सकेंगे चुटकियों में काम भाग भाग. अब वक्त और मेहनत दोनों बचा सकेंगे एआई और सपने एक साथ सकेगा आइडियाज का खजाना. पेचीदगी हो कितनी सब में मदद करेगा. एआई इस सफर में अब हम सफर करेगा.
हमारी नई पीढ़ी के एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बड़े सपने देखते हैं.
गडकरी साहेब काय नो बडे राव येडे गेलो
और कोई नहीं
Director Public Relations, Amazon India.
Refreshed because this is the part of the day where knowledge turns into capability and capability turns into growth. Now I want to know, has everybody had a good morning?
Yes.
Did you have fun?
And now is the time to talk about execution, doing things, all right? How ideas turn into action and how we build scale, be profitable, and how we do it every day. And if we don't deliver that promise repeatedly, consistently in multiple interactions,
और प्रैक्टिस कर मैं गर्व से कहती हूँ तो क्या हुआ मेरे पास मेरी हरमन मेरी दीप्ति और मेरी स्मृति दीदी है
Please take your seats. Before we begin, I do want, yes, you deserve this standing ovation. Couldn't be here today due to a personal commitment. She's all right. I want to know how many interviews you personally. I have a connection with women's cricket, and to get people to, care.
And yeah, I mean, people, whoever has played before us, I mean, their contribution has been amazing to keep the game alive. And this World Cup is just a victory for all of us who fought for this battle for years. And I remember, I think me and Harman, I mean, we've been part of the team. I have been part of the team for 12 years. And after every World Cup, we would have that look to each other that, kab hoga?
Kab hoga? But is baar ho gaya.
And we've been very close. A lot of times we've been finals, but it did not. Things didn't go our way. But I think I remember we had a visualization session just before the final, and all of us sat down and visualized just one thing that just underneath the scoreboard there's a banner saying whoever wins the last, like they'll be like India wins the World Cup and. India are the world champions. So we visualized that as a team, and when actually it came on the screen, we all told each other, see, it's finally there. I think that moment kind of, it felt like we've won the World Cup.
And this gives me goosebumps. It gave I'm sure it gave a lot of people in the audience here who watched it goosebumps. What an incredible moment.
काश मेरी जिंदगी में सरहद की कोई शाम आए काश मेरी जिंदगी मेरे वतन की काम आए न खौफ है मौत का और न आरज़ू है जन्नत की मगर जब कभी जिक्र हो शहीदों का काश मेरा भी नाम आए काश मेरा भी नाम आए
नहीं एक चश्म है भारत रग रग में है जीत की आदत ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले आखिर तक हम सफर के होंगे
टाइगर का
Call it a day.
So it was great day. I learned a lot, but inspired a lot.
Bye बोलो bye.
Guys, signing off from Bharat Mandapam. It was a day filled with lot of innovation, learning and growth. Bye bye. Ending the day with gratefulness in my heart. And thank you for watching my YouTube video and stay tuned. Signing off for today.